Hello everyone! So there might be a little household noise behind me. I'm hoping that it kind of doesn't stick around. Everyone should be quiet, but we'll see. I have a quick Kill-A-Kit video for you and a layout share. This is the November kit for my Kill-A-Kit series, How to Kill-A-Kit with Style. I have done a lot. This is the scrapbook store kit for November, and I've killed quite a bit of it. So just a little update on How to Kill-A-Kit with Style. We, as a group, decided that we are going to put How to Kill-A-Kit with Style on hiatus for December and January. We will be back fresh for February. My goal during the next 2 months is to kill some of the kits I have here from past months that I still had a lot left and didn't get a lot done with them, especially my October kit. I have photos I want to use. I have cut files I want to use. I have a ton of that kit left. So my plan is to go ahead and try to work through that kit. So you'll find them in the videos as I kill that kit from October, which was the boy kit, the kit that had the Bella Boulevard and the some of the stamps and different things in it. You'll find that kit coming, more of that kit being killed throughout December and January. Okay, so this is the November kit. This is what I have left, which you'll see is not much. So I have a couple of these butterflies left. They're just going to go right into my stash. I have 2 of these birds left. They're going to go right into my stash. I have lots of, like, you can see, like, there probably isn't even, I don't know if I could get another layout out of this or some cards. I don't know. I have them all together, but I just haven't decided yet what I'm going to do with this. And the sticker sheet is pretty much dead. All the butterflies were used up and gone. All the feathers, I used all the feathers on one project. They're used up and gone. So let's talk about my projects and what I did. And I'll tell you if there are process videos or not for these. So the first is this card. Yes, there is a process video for this. I made this super fun feather flower. I love it. It's so cute. And I think the card turned out really, really nice. This one, there is a process video for. You can find it on my channel. This was pretty easy and fun to do. Lots of punching, lots of little leaf details. This one also has a process video on my channel. Really love how this turned out. I used my Gina K wreath builder, and yeah. This one has a process video on my channel, this cousin's page. This was actually the first layout that I did with the kit, and I'm really happy with everything I created with the kit. So 3 layouts, 1 card, and then 4 pocket pages. So I have been trying to get my albums organized, and I've been trying to get my photos a little bit more organized. One of my boys accidentally knocked my big photo storage box off the table where it was sitting, dumped all my photos out, so I'm in the process of having to, like, go through literally 2 years of photos and, like, trying to reorganize them. So what I decided to do was one day while I was filling up albums and going through stuff, I pulled anything that I had left that I needed to scrapbook for November and decided I was just going to put it in pocket pages. So this is November of 2017. And I went through all my photos, I used my phone, I used everything I had at my disposal to get an idea of, you know, all the photos for November for 2017, and I put them into pocket pages just to make it quick and easy, and because I still have, you know, 2 years of photos left to do so. And so I made 4 pocket pages with them. This is the first one. I kept it really simple. I have this stamp from Close to My Heart that I used to get some journaling on the page. My nephew was born. I put the day he was born on there. Different things. Everything's dated. But these are things that I figured if I hadn't scrapbooked them in the last 2 years, then it was okay that I put it in pocket pages. I didn't need to make a layout for everything. I could just do it as a monthly pocket page in my album. So these 2 pages are my scrapbook retreat that I go to every year. I always take more pictures then I need to document the weekend, because there's always so much beautiful like decor. And so I just went ahead and I did a full 2 pages of my scrapbook retreat. And again, I just used this kit because I just figured it's November, it's fall. There was the fall decor was out, the fall colors were out. I didn't need to get super themey and do like scrapbook stuff. I could just do some fall. And then flip it over, and this is a bridal shower that I attended, or engagement party I attended in November too. And again, I used the fall stuff. I added some vellum from my stash to give it a soft look, and I used up the rest of the kit. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. If we're gonna count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 layouts, 1 card. And remember, this is the kit from the scrapbook store, so they're very inexpensive. So the entire kit with even all the upgrades was $21. So really nice. I will be back this month with the December kit for the scrapbooking store, but unfortunately, the December kit is really Christmas themed, and I don't celebrate Christmas. So really, there's only going to be like 1 layout. So if you are someone who maybe wants to see a way to use your Christmas supplies completely different and not for Christmas layout at all, then you can take a look for that video, which will come later on in December. But yeah, I didn't do a lot with that kit because it was very themed, and I don't celebrate Christmas. So we're just going to go ahead and work with that. So that'll be coming up. And then I am also getting a kit from the scrapbooking store for January. So you can look for an unboxing for that, and those kinds of things. Yeah. Any comments, anything you want to share with me below, go right ahead. I will have a lot of things coming up this week. Tuesday there's going to be a layout process Tuesday that is a mixed media background. It's kind of like a little taste of what my new class is like. That class, the price goes up on Friday, or Saturday on December 6th. So if you're interested in getting in on that class and getting into all of the interactive portions of that class, and things like that, then you want to go ahead and head over to the website and grab the class now. Even if you don't think you'll actually work through it till January, number 1, you want to make sure you get into the Facebook group to get the interactive portions of the class, because there are things like polls, and the students are helping me decide what mediums I use towards the end of the class, things like that. So you want to make sure you get in on that. I'm going to be doing a Facebook Live. Actually, I think I might do more than one, but I'm definitely doing one in December in the Facebook group with the class. So you want to make sure that you can access those types of materials. So even if you don't work through the lessons until January or February, you want to go ahead and grab it before the price goes up, and so that you have access to the Facebook group and the interactive portions. Okay, so that's it. I will see you tomorrow. I will see you Wednesday. Thursday this week, it's Quilter's Vibe. That's going to be super fun. And yeah, that's it. Have a wonderful week. I will see you all again. Not with a live video, maybe not for a while, or recorded video, but you know, we'll get there. Okay, bye.